Hey everybody, this is Dane. I want to show you the 5-bedroom, 3-bath Hercules. This Hercules model has been super duper popular. You can get in a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, or a 5-bedroom. Let's go check out the 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Here we go. Okay everybody, this is the 5-bedroom, 3-bath Hercules by Clayton Homes. Let's go inside, take a look. This home has been super popular this year. We're shipping out another one today. But this one's the 5-bed, 3-bath. Let's go inside, take a look. Got the electric fireplace there. It's really nice in the front living room. Oh, and check this out. Got the barn doors going into the flex room here. Really nice. I like this little office setup right off the entryway. You got the black matte upgrade on the faucets, which is real popular. It goes great with the hardware on the white cabinets. Everybody loved the big windows right here. Check it out. It's been real popular. Everybody's been getting the black matte on the faucets. It matches with your hardware on the doors. Dual vanity sink. This will be your 3rd bathroom you can add. Now the other video I have on this channel, this shows as a great big living area, but they set this up as a great big bedroom. 2 big windows, great big closet in this bedroom. So again, you can get this in a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, or 5-bedroom. Great being able to come out of you have a garage at the end here. Kids can come put all their stuff here before they come inside. Oh, I love how they have the faucet. This is a huge laundry room here. Massive laundry room. Lots of storage. separate his and hers closet are a big plus in this house. I love it. Big closet here.